Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exam Bhopal, and we are presenting a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Without wasting time, let's see what is in the news. 12th July is observed as National Simplicity Day and World Paperback Day. PM Modi unveils the 6.5-meter tall national emblem on the top of the under construction new parliament building. A triangular shaped parliament building next to the existing one is being constructed under the Central Vista project. The Central Vista project is 3.2-kilometer stretch in Delhi, which houses Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, North and South Block, India Gate, National Archive, among others. All these iconic buildings were constructed before 1931, the year in which the new capital was inaugurated. Let's understand about the national emblem. The national emblem of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 January 1950. It is official seal of the Republic of India that is adapted from the lion capital of Ashok Pillar, Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh. The motto of Indian national emblem is Satyamev Jayate, truth alone triumph, which is taken from Mundak Upanishad. Center to promote dragon fruit cultivation in 50,000 hectares. It is also known as super fruit, and in local language, it is known as Pitaya, strawberry pear, noble woman, and queen of the night throughout the world. Recently, Gujarat government has changed its name to the Kamalam. Let's understand what are the health benefit of this superfruit. It is full with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is also good for the diabetic patient because it is low in calories and high in nutrients like iron, calcium, potassium, and zinc. It can also help in repairing the cell damages caused by oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. World's first 5G innovation lab opens in India, aims to transform healthcare and remote care. It is installed at the John F. Welch Technology Center, Bangalore. The lab would serve as a test bed to develop future-ready products and solutions, turning a new corner in innovation. It has a private 5G network for testing and development. 1981 IAS officer of Uttar Pradesh cadre Parmeshwaran Iyer succeeded former CEO of Niti Aayog Amitabh Kant. Let's understand what is National Institution for Transforming India. The Niti Aayog was formed on January 1st, 2015 with emphasis on bottoms-up approach to envisaging the vision of maximum governance, minimum governance, echoing the spirit of cooperative federalism. Niti Aayog basically replaced the 65-year legacy of Planning Commission, which was formed on 15th March 1950. Bhagwani Devi, 94-year-old athlete Bhagwani Devi, Dagger of India, creates history by winning 3 medals in World Master Athletics Championship in Finland. Sannati, the ancient Buddhist site that everyone has almost forgot. Finally, the Archaeological Survey of India is now conserving the Sannati that is located in Kalburgi district of Karnataka. Let's see what are the important findings and excavation of this site. In the process of clearing the debris, the Ashokan Edicts, which put the village on the world map, shows a lot of history about Mauryan Emperor Ashoka and Buddhism. Ashokan Edicts are a collection of more than 30 inscriptions on the pillar, as well as boulders and caves walls found. Those are related to Mauryan Empire. Maha Stupa, that in local language is also referred as Adholaka Mahachaitya in the inscription, which consists of a stone portrait of Emperor Ashok surrounded by his queens and attendants. The Maha Stupa is one of the largest of its time. The stone portrait is considered to be the only surviving image of the Mauryan emperor, which had the inscription of Rayo Ashoka in Brahmi on it. This is it for today. Thank you for joining us. Join our batches for MPPSC, UPSC, CSC 2022-23. Admissions are open. Book your success because seats are very limited. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like button, comment your feedback, and press the subscribe button to never miss any update. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. Thank you and we'll see you tomorrow.